Hello everyone, welcome back to Odoo Byte. In this video, we are going to start our Odoo journey by exploring what's Odoo and how to install and how can we use it so we can start customizing and developing modules. Basically, what is an Odoo? Odoo is a powerful open source ERP system that helps businesses manage everything from sales and inventory to accounting, HR, employing everything and much more. It comes with a variety of modules that can be installed and customized according to your business needs. There are two editions of Odoo. Number one is that community edition, which is free open source and good for small businesses. The second one is Enterprise Edition, which is paid and it have extra features, support and clouding, hosting, everything. In short, Odoo is highly flexible and can be adapted to almost any business processes. So, learning Odoo is important because you can customize the system to match business requirements. You can create new models and automate workflows, and businesses around the world use Odoo. So, Odoo skills are in demand for developers and functional consultant. So, we just skip the installation of Odoo. You can search Odoo installation on your local, it means source. You can there are two processes. Number one is that you can download Odoo application and PostgreSQL. The two processes you can download Odoo application and uses the PostgreSQL for your backend and so on. And number second one is that you can from GitHub you can clone the repository of Odoo, and you can create your own configuration files and use into your local files to how Odoo will work, and you can also make custom modules to customize these things. So once installed, your Odoo has a quick tour. You can see the dashboard which shows key apps of metrics and app menus, install modules like sales, inventory, accounting, so on. And the third one is setting, configuration, company info, users info, and permissions. These things are when you install the Odoo, this thing will be appeared. This gives you a basic idea of Odoo interface and navigation. Okay, if you are ready to learn Odoo customization and module development, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss our next video. Also, leave a comment if you want me to cover module creation step by step in next tutorial.